आमची आवय म्हादय सरकार विकपाक फुडें सरला. तिका वाटोवपा खातीर सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवपाची गरज आसा. ते खातीर आमची म्हादय वाटोवपा खातीर शेनवारा 20 मेक सांजेच्या 4 ते 6 मजगती पणजे ते मिरामार सावन सांता मोनिका मेरेन ह्युमन चेन रॅली करून आगळ्या वेगळ्या पद्दतीचें आंदोलन करपाचो निर्णय गोवा हेरिटेज एक्टिव्ह ग्रुप आनी सेव्ह म्हादय सेव्ह गोवा फ्रंट ह्या संघटनांनी केला. ह्या रॅलीक राजकीय तशेंच बिगर सरकारी संघटनांनी तशेंच जागृत गोंयकारांनी तेंको दिवचो अशें आवाहन जॅक सिकेराचो नातू जॅक अजीत सुकीजा हाणें केलां. 18 मेक पणजेक केल्ले पत्रकार परिशदेंत तो उलयतालो. ह्या वेळार प्रज्वल साकरदांडे, महेश मांबरे आनी सेव्ह गोवा सेव्ह म्हादय फ्रंटाचे हेर वांगडी हाजीर आशिल्ले.
मुवमेंट हा कर्नाटकान डायवर्जन केला हांव म्हणटालो मंगल पांडे मुवमेंट ऑफ 1857 पासून. कित्याक म्हादय खूब इशू हा, लेकिन आनी हो एक इशू हा तो कर्नाटकाच्या डायवर्जन साकून स्टार्ट जाता. आनी आमकां आतां कळोंक जाय की म्हादय आमकां कितें दिता इन दीस एरर ऑफ क्लायमेट चेंज. वॉट डज इट रियली गिव अस? ते आमकां ड्रिंकींग वॉटर दिता, ते आमकां एग्रीकल्चर सपोर्ट करता, इट प्रिवेंट सम फील्ड्स फ्रॉम बिकमिंग सॅलायन एंड आमची बायोडायवर्सिटी राखता. So हेका लागून it is very important that all of us have a connection with Mhadei, and the best way to do it is by coming and participating and seeing the Mhadei. And from there, I think from this connection, a lot of positive ideas will come. We'll get ideas how to take this movement forward and convince the government. Because I think in Goa, it is only when people come together and there's a mass movement, the government gets convinced about something. So it is my earnest appeal to each and every Goan, and also everyone living in Goa and who loves Goa, to come and participate in this movement. Give us 2 hours of your time from 4 to 6 p.m. Wear white and blue, get your white and blue scarves and dupattas and get your water, and we're just going to celebrate the existence of Mhadei. Just go and admire it, know its beauty, and we'll have artists, musicians and poets who will sing and talk about Mhadei. And from there, we will look how we can take this movement forward. It is not really a criticism or anything. It is a celebration of Mhadei as it exists, and from there we will see how we go forward. So once again, I request each and every person in Goa to give us these 2 hours, and from there we'll make this into a mass movement again.